Hi, this video is for people who try to grow gardenias and get the dreadful bud drop, where the buds just fall off the plant, and which is what usually mine have been. I had a hard time finding anything. But as you can see, now I've actually had 5. And they smell delicious, and they are beautiful. So the first thing you have to do is put it in a sunny spot, clear some other stuff, create some humidity. I brought some of my other plants in, even my basil. It's getting ready for spring. My pathos and my ivy, and I put another pathos on the floor. And then one of the things it really likes, in case you're wondering, and how you do this, is you really have to baby it. And you have to look at the leaves. If they seem like they need rinsing, take it into the kitchen or a place you have a spray nozzle that you can make the water warm, and turn the water to warm. And I have a spray arm on mine that I like to use, and then spray the whole plant. Be very careful with it. I sort of pick it up and turn it around. And when all the leaves are wet, then you're done. But the most important thing that I probably did was to put my finger in and touch the soil. It should be damp. It should not be wet. Mine is still in the party paper that my daughter gave me. There should not be water in the pot below. These do not like to have what they call wet feet. So if the leaves are not glossy, shiny, if the plant looks a little droopy, not happy, give it some water. Make sure you fertilize it at some point every couple weeks when it is flowering. I have fertilized it once. I've had it for about 3 weeks. I'm about to fertilize it again. And then in the evening, I actually take the trouble to put an umbrella over. Sorry about that, everybody. To create a little shade behind it, and create sort of a. Sorry about that, everybody. Is to create a. My left hand says I'm not going to do that. What I do is actually create sort of a little shade pot over it. You stand it like on the windowsill, and then leave it there in the evening. Oops, put it in a sturdier plant like this, and then it sits there for the evening. Underneath, you're sort of hoping it's going to be a little bit of nice moisture, and you will have gardenias. Good luck, everybody.